In this video, we're going to do a quick sketch of the graph y equals negative sine of 1/4 x. This is a really easy method you can use for any basic sine graph. All right, so we have the general form of a basic sine equation and an outline to use. So we start finding a and b. Okay, a in our equation, we see that negative out front. It's an understood -1 for a. Okay, I like to go ahead and make a mark here. If I have a negative out front, I know that my pattern of key points is going to flip in step 2. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Okay, and you also can take the absolute value of a to find the amplitude, which is the distance from the midline of your graph up to a maximum or down to a minimum. All right, you see b is that coefficient in front of x. In our equation, it's 1/4, and we use that to find the period or the horizontal length of a cycle. So it's an easy calculation, 2 pi divided by b. When you divide by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal. So we actually have 2 pi times 4/1, or 8 pi as our period. Once I get the period, I like to go ahead and divide it by 4. So 8 pi divided by 4 is 2 pi. And I use this to label my horizontal scale. And this just ensures that our key points in the step 2 will align nicely with the horizontal tick marks. So you'll see how that works when we get to step 2. Let's go ahead and label our axes, counting by 2 pi for the horizontal axis. So easy enough, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi. We need 4 tick marks for our 4 key points. And this fourth one to the right of the origin should always match your period. So here it's 8 pi. We've got a great setup. And for this one, a is -1, so we just need to go up 1 and down 1 for labeling our vertical axis. All right, we're all set up. We're ready for step 2. Let's plot our key points. Remember, our pattern is flipped, and that's because of our negative value for a, so a is less than 0, and this indicates we have a vertical reflection, or just a flip over the x-axis. And so our key points pattern will be here, 0, 1 starting at the origin, minimum, 0, 2, maximum. And remember, each of these key points will line up with the horizontal tick marks that we've already labeled. All right, so it makes it really easy. Put your first 0 on the origin. Your minimum will happen at 2 pi, and you get that y-coordinate just by using the value of a, so -1. Okay, 4 pi is your second 0, and then 6 pi is your maximum. Just take the opposite value for a for that y-coordinate, and you've got your key points, so 4 key points of sine. Now you can do step 3, sketch the curve in. The pattern restarts at 8 pi, and it can go in the other direction for as many cycles as you need. And that's all there is to making a quick sketch for this graph. So take this method, use it for any of your basic sine graphs, and you'll have a really nice sketch every single time. Subscribe for more examples and lots of other great math tips.